Today we are going to see about the CSS layout lesson number 17 and the last topic about this CSS layouts. So in the browser I have taken a full image, and this is a very important topic whenever we want to use the designs. So you can take this example for it. So in my notepad I have written the container attribute, and another one I have written the divide top left for the text and container for the image. So now you can see the image dot I'm going to add for the container, that means complete of this divide element. So dot container position, dot container position is relative. I'm going to use this relative and closing the declaration and adding the dot top left, adding the top left, adding the declaration, and here I am going to add the position. In this I am going to add the absolute position, after this I'm going to add the top like 80 pixel, or sorry 8 pixel. For top I'm going to write the 8 pixel, and for the left I'm going to add a 16 pixel. After that I'm going to write the font text, font size. Font size is like 18 pixel. So declaration closed. After this I'm going to add the image. For image I'm going to blur it. So I'm going to write for blurring it, I'm going to use the opacity. So width I'm going to use with 100%, and after that I'm going to add, sorry, don't forget to use the dot comma. So height is like automatic height, and after automatic height I'm going to use the opacity is like 0.3, so that my image will be blur. So control S, and here you can see the images clearly, but after refreshing you can see the my image is gone blurred because of the opacity 0.3. And the image, upon the image you can see the hi friends, and we can change the opacity also. Instead of writing the 3 we can write the 1 also. Control S and refreshing the browser, so you can see the results too much of dark, and you can write for like 9 also. Control S and refreshing the browser, so you can see the image little more, and you can change like this. You can write for the 6 also. Control S and refreshing the browser, so you can light this image with this opacity, and you can make a width, and height is automatically extend. So I didn't add anything for this text. I have added only for the hi friends. So this is the dot top image. Next we are going to see about the top right side. Instead of writing here hi friends in the left side, I'm going to write in the right side. So for that, same way, same top left, same position. Instead of writing the left, just write the right, RIGHT, right. Same results. So control S and refreshing the browser, so the hi friends has come to the right side. To see bottom left, we have to change uh, some tags, like instead of writing the top, just write bottom 8 pixel. Instead of writing the right, write the left. Control S and refreshing the browser, so the text is in the right, sorry, left bottom. If you want to see in the right bottom, just cut off this left and write the right. So control S and refreshing the browser, so the text is in the right side of the bottom. If you want the text in the center, then you should write in the same way. Instead of writing the bottom right, just write left 0. Left will be in the 0 and top is 50%. So I'm going to write the top. Top is 50%, that will be in the center. And here in this special thing is I'm going to add the width. Width will be 100%. And after width I'm going to write, after top I have didn't given the comma, and after width I'm going to write the text align. Text dash align will be center. So Control S and refreshing the browser. So you can see the text is in the center. We can add the color to it, we can add the box to it. Just today I'm going to show you the image, how to write a text on a image. So this is the example image text. So friends, this is the last topic of about CSS layouts, lesson number 17. So next we are going to see about the CSS overflow. This is very important, and please do subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you for watching. Signing off, Tarika.
Signing off, Tarika Dedipya. Thank you for watching our Computer Learning. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click the bell icon. Subscribe button, bell icon.